Forget models, workflows win 2026. That's right, today we're diving into the heart of what really drives business success in the age of AI. Not the models, but the systems and workflows that make everything tick. If you're running a business, you're probably drowning in hype about AI models. But here's the kicker: models are just tools. What you need is a robust system that leverages these tools to streamline operations and scale efficiently. So, what are we really talking about here? We're talking about AI as the infrastructure that supports your business, not just a shiny new tool to brag about. Automation isn't about cutting corners, it's about creating leverage. And systems? They're your ticket to replacing human dependency with reliable, scalable processes. Most businesses get this wrong. They chase after the latest AI model, hoping it'll be the magic bullet. But let's face it, without the right systems, even the best model is just an expensive experiment. Now let's get into the meat of it. First, I should be seen as decision architecture. Think of it like the backbone of your business operations. It's not just software, it's the framework that supports every decision you make. This means integrating AI into your workflows, not just tacking it on as an afterthought. For example, consider a sales team that uses predictive analytics. The AI model predicts which leads are most likely to convert, but it's the workflow, how those leads are handled, followed up on, and nurtured, that determines success. Next, automation is your leverage. It's about amplifying your capabilities without adding more people to the payroll. Take customer service. A well-designed chatbot doesn't just answer FAQs. It collects data, learns from interactions, and improves over time. It's not a shortcut. It's a way to offer consistent, high-quality service at scale. But here's the catch: the chatbot is only as good as the system it's part of. If it's not integrated into your CRM, if it doesn't escalate issues to a human when needed, it's just a gimmick. Let's talk about systems that replace human dependency. Imagine a logistics company using AI to optimize delivery routes. The model calculates the most efficient path, but without a system to dynamically adjust for traffic, weather, or vehicle availability, it's just numbers on a screen. The real power comes when the system automatically reroutes drivers, updates customers, and adjusts schedules in real time. That's when you move from theory to practice, from potential to performance. Why do most businesses misuse AI? It's simple. They focus on the tool, not the process. They invest in the latest AI model without a clear plan for integration. They get dazzled by the potential and forget about the execution. But here's the truth: AI's value isn't in its potential, it's in its application. It's about how you use it to solve real-world problems, streamline operations, and drive growth. So how should you, as an operator, think about AI implementation? Start by identifying the bottlenecks in your business. Where are you losing time? Where are the inefficiencies? Then design a system that addresses these pain points. Use AI to support, not replace, human decision making. And remember, simplicity is your friend. Complex systems are harder to manage and more prone to failure. Keep it lean, keep it focused, and make sure every component serves a clear purpose. As we wrap up, here's the strategic takeaway. Focus on building systems that enhance your existing processes. Don't get caught up in the model hype. Instead, invest in workflows that maximize the potential of every tool you use. This is how you create sustainable growth and future-proof your business. If you're ready to take the next step, start by evaluating your current workflows. Identify where I can add the most value and begin integrating it into your operations. Remember, it's not about having the best model, it's about having the best system. That's where true business speed comes from. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this episode valuable, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's get more people thinking about AI and automation the right way. Until next time, focus on the systems, not the tools.